How to download and play EA Sports FC 25 on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play EA Sports FC 25 on your PC or your laptop, then you just need to simply open up your browser, go with search, and under search you need to search for EA Sports FC 25 and then hit the enter. And here you will have the video game. So you just need to simply scroll down, and here you may have the website itself, or you can just scroll down and you will have Steam option. It's also available on Steam. So you can simply click on the option which is right here, or you can just simply go with the Steam application. Go with the top right which has that search option, and you can simply search for EA Sports FC 25 and it will take you to this kind of interface. Just scroll down and go with download option which is right here. Or if you want other versions, you can simply scroll down and go with add to cart. Go with view my cart and select the game that you would like to download, and go with the right side which has continue to payment option. Just go with the right side, click on the button and then enter your payment method and then go with continue. Once you continue, then you just need to simply pay for the game, and once you pay for the game you will have the download option right here. So that's how you can download and install the application, and that's how you can play. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.